I did not like that bus driver. Asked one way too many questions. Did I just hear my name? I just heard my name. Hey guys, come over here. We made the news. Percy, what did you say your stepfather's name was again? Gabe? Yeah, that's what I thought. He's kind of trash talking you on an interview and making you out to be some juvenile little punk. I mean, he's not wrong. Don't get me wrong, because you are a little punk, but delinquent? No. Psychotic is making you out to be? Absolutely not. Punk? Yes. Hey, you know I show affection through life bullying. That's just how I am. Sorry, Percy. He's kind of painting you out to be the bad guy. That's my mom. She looks like she hasn't slept in days. I haven't talked to her since I got to camp. Luckily, Kyron let me use his cell phone, and I sent her a call saying that I'm okay. That was a few days before our quest. I feel so bad. I smell trouble. Come on, we need to get going. I don't know. Something doesn't smell right. Come on, let's keep walking. Shit. Okay, we are surrounded. Okay. We don't want any trouble. We don't want any trouble, okay? My mark, scatter. 3, 2, 1, go. In here. I think we lost him. We were just continuing to browse. Yeah, we were hiding from those kids.